How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily fix this issue. So in order to fix it, you first need to launch the settings of your device, and then you just have to scroll down and tap on apps. In the apps you will be able to see the option of manage apps, so you simply need to tap on it. Then in the search bar you simply need to search for Facebook. Now once you have found Facebook, you will have to tap on it, and then over here you will have to tap on clear data in the bottom right hand corner and tap on clear cache and press OK. After clearing the cache of your Facebook application, you just have to relaunch it and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then what you need to do is you will have to click on clear all data again, and this time you will have to press OK. What this will do is it will log yourself out from your Facebook account, and you will have to re-log in into your account and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then what you can do is you can simply open your Google Play Store or App Store, and from there you just have to basically update your Facebook application, and this will definitely going to resolve your issue. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.